So hello, I'm gonna show you the Angry Birds cards. I'm from Abu Dhabi, so I already unboxed it from my friends. I don't know his YouTube account, but I know him. So I got the family of the pig trying to get the Angry Birds egg. You see there? Mm, no, the blue eyes, the eggs, black cannon that are hypnotized, one egg. What shell that's crying? Three eggs. Oh, it's four. One thing. Four eggs. There's the logo there. Angry Birds. Bearded pig. Four logs. Wait. Helmet pig. Five logs. Normal pig. Two logs. One red. Named Fire. There. So, thanks for watching. Bye.